Geminiano Cozzi Venezia 1765 showroom. I'm Valentina, in charge of business development for this Venetian brand, and I will guide you through the discovery of our most significant collections. Pure white collections by Geminiano Cozzi are produced in fine bone china, the top-of-the-range porcelain, more elegant, more translucent, more chip-resistant and lighter compared to traditional porcelain. In the Milano, Florence, Torino, Gourmet and Positano collections, we offer a wide and complete range of espresso cups, tea and cappuccino cups, and cups for American coffee. Their capacities range from 9 centiliter up to 30 centiliters for breakfast cups. All come complete with their saucers, some of which are interchangeable within the collections, and various plates have a reinforced and extra resistant edge. One of the main characteristics is their stackability, cup on cup and saucer on cup, allowing a reduction in storage space requirement. Lids are available in 8 cm for espresso cups and in 10 cm for teacup and cappuccino cups. The latter are suitable also for sugar bowls. These collections are complemented by the teapots in 35, 65 and 120 centiliters and the coffee pot in 35 and 65 centiliters. All of them have an oval shape, particularly designed for room service, allowing a more efficient distribution on trays and trolleys. The teapots are composed by 3 pieces, produced separately and assembled during the manufacturing process. The main body has tiny holes within, serving as a filter for brewing a leaf tea or herbal tea. The spout is drip-proof. The handle, manually assembled to the body, comes without the internal hole, which would allow dirty to nest. This careful manufacturing process additionally ensures the lid is secure during the beverage serving. Finally, we also offer creamers and milk jugs from 8 up to 60 centiliters. The particular composition of bone china, with 46% of tricalcium phosphate, makes this material more elastic compared to traditional porcelain, increasing the chipping resistance by approximately 30%. Bone china is fired at 1300 degrees. It's synonymous of elegance, translucency, lightweight, brilliance, chip resistance, ideal for the needs of both professional and domestic use.